Hello everyone, welcome to your relationship reading. Today we will be looking into what is happening with your relationship, what is happening with the person that you like, guidance if there's anything. Because let's face it, if you're here for a tarot reading, things are definitely not the best, if not bad. Let me just cleanse my deck. I just did a reading, a pick a card reading, and it was very heavy. There was a lot of backstabbing going on. I feel like using the Shiv Shakti Oracle today, Shiv Kali Oracle today. I won't be using the timing deck today. If you want me to do the timing deck, kindly let me know. This reading is not where we do that. I think we're ready. Okay. I'll be laying out cards and oh, about you and your person. My god. About you and your person, and we'll clarify it if we want to, and we'll pull the oracle cards when we do the reading. My god. Okay. I'm just doing two readings today. This is pile 1, this is pile 2. Alright. Close your eyes, meditate. Think of a number, either 1 or 2. Think of a pile 1 or 2. Whatever calls you more towards itself. We look into that. Alright, if you've made your selection, kindly skip to your reading. I hope it resonates with you. These are general readings. These may or may not resonate with you. You can also book a personal reading with the email in my description. Alright. Pile 1, these are your relationship energies. This may or may not resonate with you. These are general readings. You can also book a personal reading if you want. And okay, let's dive in. Huh, 3 of Wands. Okay, 3 of Wands. Looking forward, looking towards a future together. Now let's see what's happening with you and the guy or the girl that you're dating or want to date or whatever. This is the overall energy of the relationship. I say this is very good. Okay, what's happening with pile 1? Ace of Swords. My god, why are you so sad? Mostly aces. There is. Oh, okay. I get it. Alright, pile one. Your relationship definitely has potential. Now, the energy that we have here is the Ace of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. You definitely regret something. There is something that is bugging you so much that you're not looking at the two cups that you have here. See, now this person, the person that you're dealing with, definitely feels the connection that you want. But you are not willing to let go of this. You need truth, you need clarity about something. You might even want a fresh start. I don't understand from where, because this is coming after this. I think the only fresh start that you should ask for is from yourself, from your thoughts, because this person is in love. All right, this person is in love. He feels the he or she whatever feels the spark. He wants to stay with you. There's creativity, there's love. Well, we cannot ignore the conflict because of the immaturity, of course. But I think that's both of you, because you both have your own demons. Overall, this relationship has a lot of potential, but you definitely need to communicate and work together. Alright, let's see what the Kali deck has. Blessings of good health. There may be health issues, there could be. Basically, I'm trying to find the way out for conflict. Do you argue over working out or eating healthy or something like that? My god, there is something happening today. There is definitely something happening today. Not one of my decks for this video is staying still. Okay. Pegasus, break free, dear one, spread wide and far. For you aren't containable, you're limitless. I hope you understand. Pile one. There's a lot of you problem here if you think about it. Let's do the Hanuman deck. Even if you're not religious, there's messages everywhere. You don't have to do the remedy unless it's a lifestyle change or something like that. Because mantra are very tricky, you need a guru for that. Oh my god. Let's take both of these cards. You will be recognized, your dedication will be recognized as your devotion was recognized by Ram. Remain committed to your path and your efforts will be acknowledged. Gratitude. Show gratitude for blessings in your life as I was grateful for the opportunity to serve Ram. Appreciation amplifies positive energy and attracts more blessings. I hope that you realize that you've just received the solution for everything. If this is resonating with you, this is a great spread. All right, there's a lot of positive energy. I sense the conflict is there only because of the immaturity and the past. It's either your past, his past, whatever, that is making you see clarity, that is making you watch this video in the first place. All right, I hope this works out for you. I hope this resonated with you. If it did not resonate with you, you can always pick another pile, you can always pick another video. I hope you work things out with this person, because this is great. This is a very good relationship you have at hand. All right, so hope this works out for you. Bye. Welcome, pile 2. I hope you're doing well. These are general readings. These may or may not resonate with you, but I definitely hope it does. I just had a good reading with the first pile. I hope the same happens for you too. If nothing, at least you get the clarity that you need. Alright, so let's start. This is the overall energy of your relationship. We are already detached. What is happening, pile 2? We have the Seven of Cups. Why are you fleeting the scene? Let's see what's happening. I always try not to take flyers, but these intrigue me. So this is you. This is the person that you're dealing with. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. Eight of Cups. Somebody wants to walk away, somebody is walking away, or something like that. You definitely wanted the happy life, the dream life, kids, family, but that is not happening now, is it? Why else would you be here? Things have definitely shaken, and I don't like this card. I don't like the Tower card, because when I used to watch tarot readings, I used to get this so much, and I know what I was going through at that time. So I apologize that this is happening with you, but I understand. And we have the Death card. Something is definitely ending. I say the positive for the Death card is that you definitely are going to have a better start. I think it's you who needs to make a decision here, because the person definitely is feeling a little bit, testing the waters, testing how you feel, how the situation works out. Also wants to have a loving relationship in the end, but is not really putting efforts right now. That person is either resting or has withdrawn or something like that, because you see, all these words are kept and this person is peacefully sleeping, but there you are, wrecked. Girl, I think you can do better than this mere person who I think is I think takes you like a fling, if I personally talk about it, because of course everybody in the end wants a relationship, a great relationship, but you should be putting efforts for that, and I think this is the best for you to do right now if you are walking away, if you choose to walk away. All right. We do the Kali deck. I think you need a card from this deck right now. I don't think this person did the right things. I won't say he cheated or something. I'm just saying he did not put enough efforts. He does not take you that seriously. Blessings of long life, of course. Okay, this is the witch of the season, or the season of the witch. I'm sorry, I don't remember the names. I am terrible with names. I think you should communicate with this person. If they are not willing to give you the commitment that you need, you can simply walk away. Obviously, I mean, it is wrecking you. My god, all the texts today are just. I got this card for the first pile also. Pegasus, break free, dear one. Spread wide and far, for you aren't containable, you're limitless. Come on, man, come on. Do I need to say anything else? Do I even need to say anything else? Let's take a card from the Hanuman deck. My friend, you can do a lot better than this. Even if you're not religious, there's always very good messages in this deck. Also, you can always contact me for a personal reading. Of course, those are paid. Alright. Inner peace. I think I think that's a long shot, but we should definitely try. Inner peace and calmness are yours to claim. Listen from Hanuman's inner peace, which came from his devotion to Lord Ram. I think we understand what is happening here. Okay, this guy is not necessarily cheating. This guy basically does not care. It's like, okay, fine, yeah, okay, you're sweet, I don't hate you, so on. But that's not what you're here for. I think you should walk away. I know it hurts. I know it feels bad. I know how much you wanted it. But I don't think this guy is just worth it. Alright, pile 2. I hope this resonated with you. Hope to see you soon. Do subscribe. If it did not resonate with you, well, I cannot do anything for that. These are general readings. Alright. Bye bye.